I'm done for the day.
Hi guys, I hope you're well. I just want to show you a gift I got from my lady. It's Tanda Sam. Her name is Tandisha, my colleague. She came to me and she was like, okay, well, she sent me a message and said, well, I'll tell you a story about it. I just want to show you the gift. So this is the gift, you guys. I cried. Yazini. I was so happy. This is a gift, you guys. So I can go back to gym. This is a gift. Oh my god. This lady, she blessed me with a bag, because I was telling her, like, ish, I can't come to gym because now I can't find my gym bag. Look at the bag, guys. Oh my god. Like, you don't know how I feel. My heart is beating fast. Oh, Sana. Ish. And now I'm holding this camera. I can't open it to you, but I'm going to show you. So, this is my new gym bag. This is my new gym bag. I love it so much. I love the color. I love the fact that it's pretty, man. Okay. I have this stuff. This is what I use to shower after gym. And then this is my gym clothes. These are my gym clothes that I'm gonna wear now. And I'm gonna put this on because I don't have a smartwatch, so I cannot track my steps or anything like that. So I'm gonna use my phone to track everything. And then this is my work outfit after gym. This is what I'll wear after gym. So yeah, I wanted to show you the bag, guys. Like, this is the bag. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Tandy, again. I really, really love my gift. I really appreciate you so much, doll. You are the best. So this is the bag when it's fully open. Even it's so big. Sana. It's so big. I can even go to Eastern Cape with this bag. It is so big. It has pockets, pockets, pockets. It is so big. I can go to Eastern Cape with this bag. Like what, like what? Like what? Oh my. Oh beautiful. Love it. Welcome to another day of the vlog. So today I just want to catch up with you. I'm sure you saw a clip, we're getting cakes, and then you're like, what happened? So we're getting a cake because it was my son's birthday and my brother's, so we're just getting them cakes. It was not a huge celebration like we had last year. I mean, we're planning a big one though, when my son is turning like 10, I think. Well, I'm not sure, it's up to his father. But yeah, we're planning a big one next time. Not this time, because last year we had a big celebration. Anyway, so I just want to catch up with you guys. I'm not doing anything big today. I'm not doing anything much. I went and did my nails to my girl, Clarissa, as she always calls them. I wanted something simple, something, something very nice at the same time, simple and nice. I always do pink. Pink is my color. I wanted to do red, but with red I feel like Sana, that color is too strong. That color yamakhot man, like it's for old people. Like I feel like, okay, it's not for old people, it's not really, but I personally feel like I need to be like at a certain age, to be getting those nails. I remember when I was young and I used to see old people do it, and I was like, when I get old, I want to do those red nails. Now that I'm old, I feel like I'm still not old enough yet. I feel like I'm not in that standard yet to do red nails, but I think I'll do them maybe in winter. I want the blood red, that red. That's the red I want to do. But anyway, I don't do my toes, which I think I might do them today. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do my toes today, and also do some cornrows, because my hair, oh, I love it, ne? But I don't like staying long with relaxed hair. The reason why is that my hair gets too, my hair grows quickly. So already I have growth, and I only relaxed my hair not long ago. I relaxed my hair, but already the growth, sana, it's too much, and I have to open lines and do and put in some lotion line by line. It's a lot of work. I asked my man to help me yesterday, and he helped me with it. But because he's gonna get tired. I prefer having cornrows because it's much easier, unlike me having to open each line, because one thing about it, the lines are not straight, and you can get some other sections that are not getting the lotion. But anyway, the hair food rather. Let me get on within my day. At home with my mom's house. Oh, I must feed the dog outside. I must make him food. Everyone is going to church. I'm not going to church because of work. I must prepare to go to work as we speak. Meeting. I must prepare to go to work. Everyone is gone. So the church, there's a church down the street. They haven't started yet. I think they started 9. Oh, bow. I think they started 9. Let me try and force my sleep now. And then once they start, and maybe I can't sleep because they have a band, like it's noisy. And then maybe I can just wake up. Let me just try and nap now, and then let's see. Catch up with you later. Okay.
Hello, students. This is
Another day of the vlog. We are going to the gym. Okay, I'm taking you guys with me. Yeah, let's go work out. Made it to gym. Let's get to work. She said, take your time. What's the rush?
Diamonds keep the roof. Ooh, ooh. I done bought the coupe. Ooh, ooh. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause with all the bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in the Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how to do it, kicking shit like you can. Put it in the cab, send it to a Arab. Hit him with the mat now, last whole body scale. Cash on delivery, hey, Go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this. All the bitches lipstick. And a pussy slippery. I can call a troop. Go by the name of Duke. Can't never kick a roof. I can send a moose. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me poof. Ooh, ooh, down this people roof. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the proof. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause for all of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. I got 7 bitches with me, Captain. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimal, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white Adderalls, I had my sin. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught on all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billions. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Lennon. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in Lennon. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the mission. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know it, I don't wanna know who's large business. I don't know what's going bro, I think they all spinning. Don't speak that shit on wax, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all killers.
Weezy out of it,
down this people roof. Ooh, ooh, I done fought the proof. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause for all of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch the hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much on my plate, that's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much back bending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me, so shout out black women. So much commenting, show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at. You couldn't fit in my loafers if you took a steroid, and I wouldn't handle your baggage if I had a billboard. I'm rarely replying to texts, barely enjoying the sex. I got a pain in my chest, that's from suppressing the stress. Lionel, you know me the best, told me I know the answer. McClancy, he gave me the best advice that I heard in the sec. I need to call me a jet, I need to pack me a bag, I need to give me a cab, give me some scrimmage and shit. I could've bought me some land, I wouldn't flood in my neck. I say this shit with my chest, I'm like one of the best. I'm a workaholic and I need to give me some rest. I'd rather get these ideas off, I'd rather not steer off my path. I'm so scared of going back to my past. I work, I swear it's hard not shaking that fear off. White boy said I brag too much, the black kid said it's inspiring. Duality is tiring, my girl would kill me if she knew the things I was desiring. Suppressing it, get it out the way, I put the sirens in, yeah. Look, I don't fuck with parties, I don't fuck with the paparazzi. Never have I drove a Hellcat or a Maserati. Never needed others for my personal validation. She ain't get in touch if she cannot hold a conversation. Never had a bulky Richard Mille as a wristwatch. I never seen a Mary, never posted on TikTok. I never had desire for promethazine in the soda. Never made eye contact with a woman in Fashion Nova.